Well, hi folks. I want to show a couple advanced features that should help you as you're navigating the learning management system, P-Learning, that we use. So this is your portal page, and this is a sample student that's logging in. And so you will only see samples in a couple different seminars or a CDF class in this seminar. So this is an announcement area that you'll see up in here. But let's log in, and this is where you land. You're going to land on this page right here. If I have an announcement, it's going to pop up. Sometimes I make it pop up, sometimes I don't. Just sort of depends. You'll you will land on the most current week, though. That's the most important thing to remember. I have opened this page, and there will be more pages open, but this page is the assignments for the entire seminar. And I know a few people have asked for what's coming up. They can't post, you can't see it, but this is really what's going on. And in this particular class, because we're reading out of the Live Smart After 50, you can actually kind of plan ahead and look. There will be, like this article here from the Sloan Center, you can't get to that from this page, but it's coming and it will open up on that day. So, anyways, more pages will open each week. So I wanted to at least show you that. So let's go to a couple of other very quick and easy things that make your life, well, should make your life easier. What's new button just tells you what you haven't read yet. So this is really where I always go. This is the first place I go all the time. I only really want to read the stuff that hasn't been read yet. So this is a quick sample student hasn't been in. He needs to introduce himself and read these 11. There's a new announcement. If there was an email, that would be there as well. I try to keep this page with quotes typically, and so all you're really going to do is navigate up and down. There's a lot of text here, but it's all stuff that I've found will help you. But let's go look in here, and I'll show you two things. One is I added a bunch of text in here, and I'll delete that in a minute to show you how there's some people. It's like you can hardly read this. And like right now, I want to get in here and read all this, and there's this little tiny window. If this happens, you just click on this less button, and then you can see more. You can see this area, and it gives you a little more space. You can even pull this down to make this larger if you'd like. Those are just little things. These emoticons, this is where you use the rich text editor, and it gives you spell check. You can make it larger, bold. These are the emoticons that you can use. The other feature in here that I want to show you is so if you had a long link, let's say this was a link. I don't know how I can make that a link, but actually, let me just grab something here real quick. If you have a long link and you stick it in there, it shows up weird sometimes. So I'm going to submit that, and it's all over the place. So one of the things I can do is I have 30 minutes to go in and edit the post, and two is I could just write survey, highlight it. I go to the chain. Where the heck is it? There it is. Looked right at it. And now I pop it in here. And now what happens is you don't have all this garbage here. You just have a link that you can click on. And so you can take care of that. I will sometimes, okay, where is it? So you can put a subject in here. So there's a lot of little gobbledygooks in there that you can add. You can also save as a draft, and sometimes that's kind of handy. I'll write something and I'll want to get back to it. And so when I'll leave this page, and then I come back, that draft is still here awaiting me. And again, all this is making me, I can't see everything I want to see, so I hit less, and now I have this draft sitting here. Okay, so I'm going to delete that draft. Yep, delete the draft. I'm going to edit this post. Yep, I'm going to edit this post. I'm actually going to delete this post. Somehow I'm going to delete this post. There we go. Okay, edit the post. I should be able to delete it. Well, actually, I don't know why that's true, but if you have a post that needs to get deleted, you can just email me. I thought you could delete your post. Apparently, you can only edit. The other thing I'll just show you is this is a thread with most recent activity creation and only threads with unread posts. And so you can view it differently. I prefer this one just because I can see what's going on and I want to see it. Last thing I'll show you is these tabs. Obviously, announcements and inboxes. Activities is one thing. This is the discussion one. I would not go here. I almost hate to show it to you, but I would not go here. These are all the different discussions that are coming up, and sometimes I don't even use all these. The only thing that matters for discussions for you folks is the week we're on, and it always takes us to the most current week, and the discussions and the assignments are always going to be right here. That's all you got to worry about. You can also take a look at your grades, and you need a P grade for every assignment, and so sample student hasn't been doing very good, so he may not pass the class. But those are the big key things I think that people will find helpful. Looking forward to working with you. All right, bye.